When the holidays roll around, there's nothing we look forward to more than baking. Here is a recipe for making Christmas plum cake. Ingredients needed to bake Christmas plum cake. 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar for large eggs. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg. 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, 1/2 cup milk. 1/2 cup chopped walnuts, 1/2 cup raisins. 1/2 cup chopped candied cherries. 1/2 cup chopped candied pineapple. 1/2 cup chopped candied citron, 1/2 cup brandy. How to bake Christmas plum cake. 1. Preheat the oven to 3 to 5°F. 2. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. 3. Beat in the eggs one at a time. 4. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. 5. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture, alternating with the milk. 6. Stir in the walnuts, raisins, cherries, pineapple, and citron. 7. Stir in the brandy. 8. Pour the batter into a greased and floured 10-inch tube pan. 9. Bake for 1 hour and 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. 10. Remove from the oven and let cool in the pan for 10 minutes. 11. Remove from the pan and let cool completely on a wire rack. This recipe makes a delicious Christmas plum cake that is perfect for the holiday season. Enjoy!